GRI is a leading specialty tire manufacturer based out of Sri Lanka with offices across the globe. We are in the businesses of material handling, in agriculture and in construction. Sustainability is a critical component for us. That is why recently we've launched our green tire products. We're the only ones in the world that has the most sustainable material handling tire, the most sustainable agri tire, along with everything that we do at our manufacturing plants with solar panels and water recycling, because we believe that's an edge that we want to be number one in. Almost 1,200 employees in the company, and we built our business historically from Sri Lanka and then grown it across most parts of the world with a very strong presence in Europe, in the US, and in the rest of the world. I've always been passionate about building business. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I've spent a lot of time over the last 20 years building GRI, and we've taken great leaps and bounds on improving everything we do as we grow the business. As we keep growing our business, one of the biggest challenges that we've faced is being able to follow performance. And the only way to be successful as an organization is if we all as a team can perform and deliver results. GRI has almost 16 nationalities working for us, spread across so many different countries. It's been a historical challenge for us to manage performance. And when I was at the Harvard Business School in 2019, I was talking with a friend of mine who was telling me, hey Prabhash, I can see performance of my team on my phone. I mean, that was a game changer for me, and we were extremely far away from something like that. I quickly asked him who the contact was, and if he was happy with the product, etc. And then we are where we are today, where we've actually installed Kippy, and it's helped and supported us to be at an organization level, follow performance of the company, of the individuals, and also motivate people to do a better job.
In terms of Kippy process is very easy. Earlier the company was going through Excel sheets, the whole appraisal system, and the performance was monitored through Excel system, Excel based or manual based. But now with Kippy coming in, everything is cloud based. It helps in updating the sheets and performance at any point of time by any user. We have grown from 10 to 20 million, and around 5 to 10% I can purely say can be attributed because now, especially the salespeople, they have ample time to spend time with the customers, which earlier was being taken away in preparing all the manual matrices and preparing the appraisal form. Today, the sales number comes directly from the ERP package. There used to be so-called a 0 hour where not many things were attended to because it's an appraisal form and an employee was focusing on it. Today that 0 hour has become actually 0 minute because now they don't hardly have any time to spend on the appraisal system. In terms of the cost, there's a phenomenal advantage for the organization. Earlier, an average of 1 man week means 7 days, 6 days was spent by a person in his personal appraisal. Today it's so simple, it's actually less than a day. With work from home concepts, the employee and the employer, the boss, the appraisee and appraiser can even do it by sitting at home. So one doesn't have to come all the way to meet the boss, especially when you have multiple locations.
I believe Kippy is a game changer for GRI. We successfully completed our annual appraisals in April this year. We're just rolling into the first quarter reviews, and we're also looking at moving it across to our global organization in the different parts of the world.
As the system owner of the global group, successfully we implemented these two systems, that means Kippy PMS as well as the Kippy OKR, with the 5 different locations covering 1,200 employees at the moment. Initially, we purchased actually that enterprise systems as well as the accelerator package. The level of support of this team is actually exceptional because that Kippy team fully provide that their support on time to complete our entire goals of these things. So due to these reasons, what I need to mention is their support is excellent.
Any software implementation and execution is very challenging. I have a very bad experience in the past with using software's implementation. But the Kippy team has been fantastic in helping us aligning our corporate strategies with our best practices. And also the advantage here is we can link with the existing softwares and also it will give value addition. Kippy team has given fantastic support for implementing. I think this is one of very great success I have experienced in my industry. And also it is confirmed by our internal survey we have done after implementation. I think all the people have given very good implementation acceptance because the Kippy software is user friendly. Because having software, if application is difficult, I think we will not favor because today we are in the process of user friendly. I think the key advantage of using Kippy software is very user friendly. I think I highly recommend it. I call Kippy as a 3-in-1 because we have 3 objectives achieved. The communicating of our strategies to the entire workforce as well as daily key performance indicators monitoring and also the appraisal of the employees.
In my 18 years of experience as a HR business partner, I found that the Kippy PMS and Kippy OKR system is the best system for our needs. These systems have made our lives very easier and helps our company to go up to the next level for sure.
Kippy has been an immense help for us. We've moved from a very outdated system of managing Excel files in terms of performance review, and it was a struggle for our HR team, it was a struggle for all our employees in the organization, local people, global people, and the transformation and moving to a system, it's always about focus. If you can make it much more easier, people can see what their goals are right in front of them, they can measure the goals, they can input whatever issues that they want to see, and also review performance on a continuous basis. I believe it's an incredible game changer, and that's why I was convinced that this is a great system for us to go into. So it makes it easier for employees, it makes it easier for the supervisors and for the managers, and finally for the company to succeed. So we've seen a great difference in usage, in people using it, and also people embracing it. And we've also seen an incredible difference in performance. I believe it will take some time. We've just introduced it recently, but it's certainly on the right path. So yes, holistically, I believe it's been a game changer. We're very excited to grow and build this across our organization all over the world.